This is the video for week 3 of the WordPress Build a Website course, and in this one we're going to start off by showing you how to add a video to the website. I would advise not uploading a video directly onto your website because it's a very large file and it could slow things down. So what we can do is we can upload our video onto YouTube or a similar video hosting platform, and then what we can do is we can embed a code that shows your video on your website. So that's what I'm going to show you now. So I've just created a random page here and I'm going to add a video to it. It's the same process no matter what page that you're actually using. So first thing I want to do is I want to go to YouTube, and here on YouTube I just have picked a random video, pretending that it's yours. And what you do on that video is you click the share button underneath. When you click that, you will see a URL which is unique to this video. I'm going to copy that. Then we're going to go back to our website, and on our page it says here type to choose a block. So I'm going to click on here and I'm going to add a block. So I want to browse all so I can see all of the options, and I'm going to scroll down until I find video, which is here. And what it's saying to me is drag and drop a video, upload it or choose from your library. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose the insert from URL. So I'll click on that. And what I'm doing now is I'm clicking paste, and this is the YouTube share link that I just took from YouTube. And I'm going to hit the little enter button. And now you can see that has uploaded onto the page. And it's simple as that. We're just going to save it. And then we're just going to view our page here just to show you. And this is the page on your website. This is what it will look like. And then people can just click on that.
Hey everyone,
and they can play away on the actual video itself. Now I'm going to show you how to add Google Maps onto your website. The first thing we do is we go into Google Maps itself and we put in our address. For this one I've just put in the Square Shopping Centre in Tallaght for the example. We go down to this button which says share, and we have send a link or embed a map. I'm going to select embed a map. I'm going to copy this HTML, this is code. I'm going to go back to my website. Here I'm going to choose a block. I'm going to click on plus, and the block I'm choosing is called custom HTML. And then I'm going to hit paste and save. And then we're going to have a little preview of that page. Click it there, and there we are. So that shows the location. And when this is on your live website, people will be able to click in it, expand it, get directions to it, and it'll work, it'll interact perfectly as a Google Map. Now we're going to add a contact form. So for us to do that, we need to add a plugin to the website. So we go to our dashboard, down to menus, down to plugins. Then we select up here, add plugin. And for this one here, we're looking for a contact form. So we're going to actually type in that, contact form, and hit enter. And the one I'm going to use here is this one here, because as you can see, it's very popular, it's compatible, and it's been updated recently. So we're going to hit install now. And that will appear then under your plugins. I need to activate it as well. Now we have it here. What we need to do then is we need to go into settings. Once we have that installed, we go into settings, and within the contact form we can click in there and we can edit whatever we want in there, which you saw during the course. But I just want a reminder, how do you put this onto your website? Well, what's showing here is a short code, and what we will do is we will copy that. Copy, and then we're going to go back into our page, and again it doesn't matter where you put this, it works exactly the same way on any page. So here I am back at my demo page. Type to choose a block, click in here, and the block we're going to pick this time, and we're actually going to show all of them. And what we're looking for is we're looking for short code. So I'll scroll down, short code, here we go. I'm going to click on that, and then we're just going to hit paste here and save. And then what we're going to do is we're going to view the page to see what that looks like. And there's your contact form. And I placed it directly underneath my map. Your name, your email, subject, your message, optional. And of course, you can edit that form within your settings, and you can decide if you want extra fields or less fields or whatever you want and what you want written on the button and all of that. So that's how to add on a contact form onto your website. Just copy and paste that short code anywhere at all on the website where you want that to appear. To work on the footer of the website, the first thing we want to do is go into widgets. So we go to appearance and then down to widgets. And we scroll down the bottom here. Footer number 1. So in this particular theme, we can have 4 different footers. I think that's a little bit cramped, so we're only going to use 3. So on footer number 1, we click on that and we either type or choose a block. So for this one here, I'm going to write down opening hours 9 to 11 a.m. Hit update. So just put some text here. On footer number 2, I'm going to add an image. So I hit the plus sign and I pick the image block and I pick a random image from the media library. Obviously you can put your logo here or you can put whatever you want in this one. I'll hit update. And then in my third one, I'm just going to put some more information. So what I'll do is I'll go to footer number 3 and I can start typing here and I can put in our address, number 4, Main Street, Naas, County Kildare. And then update. So obviously you can put whatever you want there. You can put videos, you can put short codes, you can put anything at all there. So that's what I've decided to do. So that's just updating there now. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go and work on the homepage footer. So if we actually look at the website at the moment, there's nothing down the bottom. So I want to change that. So we go into our dashboard. We go into appearance. And then what we do is we go into widgets again. And we go across here to manage live preview. We'll click on that button there. So now we're seeing the other side of the customer facing side of our website, and we're actually going to do edit while looking at it. So we'll scroll down here, down to the very bottom. And we'll see there's nothing there. So what do we do? So we need to come back here into our menu and select footer. So once we select footer, this appears. And what we do then is we look at the top row, which is here, we hit the plus sign and we select the widgets we've just created. So widget number 1, if you remember, was my opening hours. Number 2, we are going to pick widget area number 2. And you remember that was an image. And then widget number 3. And that was some text. So now you can see there, opening hours, image and text. And obviously you can put whatever you want there. You can put a contact form, a logo, social media buttons, email address, opening hours, whatever you want you can put in there, or even a piece of text that links and brings you somewhere else in your website. So don't forget to hit save, and that is your footer area, which will appear on all the pages of your website.